Hey, happy Aloha Friday, and just one more week before fall break. Wanted to share my wife, Jackie, and I celebrated our 31st anniversary this week. And one thing I've been talking to kids about is, we talk a lot about images in social media and on TV and things like that. And one thing I shared is, to be married for that long, it's really important to kind of explain that you know, patience is more important than passion. Listening, those kinds of things. And I know that's very kind of anti Hollywood, and what you see on TV sometimes isn't really real. It's those relationships that really are important. And passion is important to kind of start the fire, but it's the patience that keeps it burning. And so we talk a little bit about like the small steps in order to make big goals, to reach big goals, and how each one of those little things is like a little vote for the person that you want to be. And so, if you want to be smarter, ask yourself, what would a smart person do? Well, they would take good notes, they would study for tests. And if you do those things, you'll be a smart person. If you want to be a better athlete, you would practice, you would build your strength, you would have a healthy diet, and those kinds of things. And so, kind of that, fake it till you make it kind of idea. And it's just each one of those little things will get you closer to that goal. And that's what's really important. And so that's something that we've been talking a lot about this week in class. We're also looking for pictures from the zoo trip. So if you were a parent chaperone, and I know many of you went, if you have any pictures, if you could please send those to either Mr. Clady or myself. We're really trying to get a picture of every single group. That way we can put together kind of a visual collage of that. So if you have any pictures from the zoo trip, if you would please send those to us, we would really appreciate it. As far as what's happening in science, we're wrapping up molecular models right now, and I'm foreseeing giving the test probably on Tuesday of next week. It is a notebook test, and so this would be a great weekend to sit down with the kids and kind of go through their science notebook, just making sure that everything is organized and in their notebook, because remember, they can use their notebook on the notebook tests. As far as biology, we're wrapping up cells and membranes, and so active and passive transport. I think that test will end up actually being on Tuesday, maybe Wednesday. We're going to kind of wait and see. I do have a couple students who are going to be leaving towards the end of next week, and so I definitely want to get that wrapped up before those students start going on their vacation a little early. So that's what's happening in class. Thank you so much for everything you do to help support the learning that takes place in my classroom. And if ever you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can either drop those in a comment below, which only I can see, or just shoot me an email. That would be wonderful. So again, thank you so much, and we'll see you on the other side of fall break.